So guys, it's Zoe. So I am at Knott's Farm with Liam, my mom, her fiance, his kid, and his kid's friend. So I didn't want to start the vlog off in the car or at home just because we're in a hurry, I guess, kind of trying to get out because it takes 3 hours to get here. What, baby? So yeah, we're just at Knott's Farms right now, and I'm just sitting here waiting for him to get off the ride so I can get on. And Liam, say hi, baby. Look, say hi.
Hi, waterfall.
Yeah. And if you can't hear me, I'm sorry. It's loud because there is a waterfall. And I'm gonna try to record some more, but I'm not gonna record on any rides, obviously, because my phone, I don't want it to get soaking wet, or I don't want to drop it or anything. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys later. Right now it's currently 12 o'clock. So yeah. Mom, say hi. Say hi, baby. Say hi. No? Okay. So we're just chilling right now. Where is it? It's YouTube. Say hi. It's so hot out here. Where are we going?
On that one. Yeah.
My mom. The rides. It's so hot. Show them your dinosaur, Liam.
Look at it.
You want a dinosaur?
Wow. That's a lot of Get in water.
To McDonald's to eat because it's cheaper than Knott's Farms food. So I'll show you guys what we get to eat. So we're here. Okay guys, so I forgot to record us getting our food because it was just so crazy in there. So everyone was going in there, and I take off my makeup, so my face is like so red right now. So I'm gonna show you guys our hotel. Okay, so when you walk in, there's a bathroom to the left. Here's the mirror. And a closet and a shower. It's a big bathroom, toilet. Our kitchen. And then there's a TV, a desk, pull-out couch, and 2 queen beds. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Say hi, Liam. Hi. So this is the room.
Say hi to Papa Carl.
Say hi, Carl.
Say hi, Carl. You're on YouTube.
Say hi, Aaron. Say hi, Emily.
Hi.
This is our room. Say bye, Liam.
Hi.
Yay, Liam! Yay! You scared, huh? You guys can hardly see me right now, but it is so hot. No, I'm not gonna go. But my mom and Liam are gonna go on this one right here.
And welcome to the campus. For your safety, please remember to stay seated, facing forward, keeping all body parts inside the bus. Please hold on to all loose articles, and your cell phones must be kept away. Thank you. Enjoy your ride.
Liam!
Look at Mom.
Big boy! Yay! Bad recording. Hi! My big boy went on the ride. You did it, huh? Say, I did it.
I did it.
I thought he would be scared, but he wasn't. And thank you to my mom for going on with him. My face is so red. Oh my gosh, I'm so sunburned.
Awa.
You want agua?
No.
No! Say, hi! There's Nana!
Mine are incredible. I'll be taking everybody through the mine today and just ask that you remain seated at all times. There's absolutely no eating, drinking, or smoking on it. All aboard. Let's go mine ourselves some gold.
Can't hear me. Okay, it broke.
Alrighty, welcome aboard 340.
Well, howdy, folks. The name's Powder Keg Peg, and we're moving on into tunnel number 1 of the Calico Mine. These fellas never caught a one. I wonder why. Makes me a tad nervous. Gotta be out here on this rickety old trestle. And by much, I mean not much at all. So keep your hands and arms inside and don't make any sudden movements.
Hi guys, I have not updated you guys in a long time because it's really loud out here, but Liam's asleep. You can't see him, but we're still here. My hair is so messy and my face is so sunburned, and my forehead, look right there. But we're just still walking around. We went on what is it called? Ghostbusters?
Huh?
What is that ride called?
Ghost Rider.
Ghostbuster. We went on Ghost Rider.
It was fun.
And it was 2 hours. Well, it was like an hour and a half.
I loved it.
But
So
yeah.
much fun. I want to go again.
Yeah, there's nothing else. I don't know. I'm hungry.
What are you doing?
Vlogging. What are you doing? It's so loud. Liam's knocked out over here. So yeah, I'll update you guys when we go to the hotel or get food or something. Okay, so I said I would update you guys when we get back to the hotel or when I get food. And I already ate. Liam does not want to eat, of course. But we ate fried chicken and potatoes. Hey, get out of there, Liam. But yeah, we're back to the hotel already. I'm going to take a shower with Liam and then go to sleep. This is the shower. I'm trying to have him take off your diaper, Liam, so we can shower. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I look so terrible right now. I'm so tired. But please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on the bell notification down below, and thumbs up for my sunburn. It's bad. Alright guys, thank you, bye.